Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, a stack overflow error is a runtime error that occurs when a program recurses too deeply, consuming all the stack space allocated for the thread. This error is a subclass of error, not exception, which means it indicates a serious problem that the application should not try to catch. Understanding stack overflow error. Each thread in Java has its own stack, which is used to store method call information, local variables, and intermediate calculations. When a method is called, a new stack frame is created. If a method calls itself recursively without a proper base case to terminate the recursion, it can lead to the stack being filled up, resulting in a stack overflow error. Common causes. 1. Infinite recursion. The most common cause of stack overflow error is infinite recursion, where a method keeps calling itself without a terminating condition. 2. Deep recursion. Even if there is a terminating condition, deep recursion with a large number of calls can exhaust the available stack space. Example code. Here's a simple example to illustrate stack overflow error. Explanation of the code. 1. Recursive method. The recursive method, int number, method calls itself indefinitely while printing the current number. There is no condition to stop the recursion. 2. Main method. In the main method, we call recursive method, 1, inside a try-catch block to catch the stack overflow error. 3. Error handling. When the stack overflow error occurs, it is caught, and a message is printed. Output. When you run the above code, you will see output similar to this until the stack overflows. Fixing the error. To avoid stack overflow error, you can implement a base case that stops the recursion. Here's a corrected version of the recursive method. Explanation of the fixed code. 1. Base case. The safe recursive method, int number, method now includes a base case that stops recursion when number exceeds 1000. 2. Output. This will print numbers from 1 to 1000 without causing a stack overflow error. Conclusion. Stack overflow error is a critical error that indicates problems with recursive method calls. It is important to have proper base cases and limits on recursion to avoid this error. For problems that require deep recursion, consider using iterative approaches or optimizing your algorithm to avoid deep call stacks.